Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to repair Microsoft OneNote on Windows 10. Let's begin. To repair the Microsoft OneNote on Windows 10, you can use several methods to ensure the app works properly if it is experiencing issues like crashes, slow performance, or other errors. Now, the method that we're going to use is going to be repairing OneNote via the Windows settings. Now, here type in settings, click that, and you would be forwarded to this section. All right. I need you to click the apps and features, right? This one. Now, I want you to scroll down on Microsoft OneNote, click that, and select the advanced options. Right here, click that, advanced options. And then you need to hover down below where you can see the option that says repair. All right, if this app isn't working right, Microsoft or the Windows will try to repair it because the app's data won't be affected. Click the repair button. You see there is like a status bar here. Just wait for it and it would show you that the Microsoft OneNote for Windows 10 has been repaired. All right. Now, the second option is going to be using the control panel. From the search bar, type in control panel, click that, and of course go to the programs. Now, when you go to the Microsoft OneNote, right click on it, and there should be an option that says change. Click on it. Once you've done that, you should be able to get something like this. It's going to be like a pop-up window wherein it would ask you, what would you like to repair to your Microsoft 365 and Office programs? Is it going to be quick repair, which fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection, which is kind of like an offline option? Or for the online repair, it fixes all issues, but takes a little while and requires an internet connection throughout. And you can select this option. All right, and just have to click the repair and just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, another option that you can do, if none of the above steps works, is to reinstall OneNote. You just have to uninstall the Microsoft OneNote app and then go again to the Microsoft Store or go to the Microsoft OneNote official website and click the download OneNote and try to reinstall it. All right. The next option that you can do if it's still not working is to contact the support team for Microsoft and select the product and click the Microsoft 365 because OneNote is part of it. And once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems repairing your Microsoft OneNote, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.